How to fix Instagram cropping photos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix if Instagram is called cropping your photos whenever you try to post new photos. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, what you want to do is simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Instagram, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated Instagram, I want you to just simply go over and then open it. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now I'll simply show you what the issue is. If I go ahead and try to post a photo, let's say for example, you can see that this is not the maximum resolution of the photo because it is basically just going to crop this photo into some of the required changes. So in order to fix that, so if I go and tap on the next button, you can see it just crops the photo overall. So if I select some other photos, for example, let's say, and over here as you can see, and if I tap on the next button, you'll be able to notice that this is not actually a full picture. So how do we fix Instagram cropping photos? Well, you have to understand that Instagram supports only one format, and that is 1080 by 1080 pixels. So if you're trying to upload a photo or video that has more resolution than that, Instagram is going to crop them automatically. However, you can actually upload them in full resolution by actually pressing a button. So in order to do that, you can see this is not a full resolution photo, as you can see from the bottom to the top, but Instagram only says me to upload this much portion, so which is basically by 1080 by 1080 pixels. So in order to fix this, you can see this little button on the left hand side of the screen. So you just have to press that button. Once you tap on that button, you can see our image has been uploaded in full, but you can see on the right hand side there is basically a gap. Now you cannot really fix this gap because this is done in order to adjust the resolution, and it may only show up here, it may not really show up in your post feed. For example, I have a bunch of photos which I've uploaded in the similar way, but if I go ahead and open it, you can see we do not really have that border. So it's only while you upload the photo that is actually showing up that you need to actually go ahead and then see this white or black parts if you're on Lightroom. But basically when you go ahead and upload it fully, and again you tap on the next button, if you go ahead and select it, now you can see the white border has basically been removed. And this is simply how you can fix, but keep in mind that the ideal size for Instagram post is 1080 by 1080 pixels, so you might as well want to just crop it in that way. And hopefully this video answered the question as to how you can fix the Instagram cropping photos automatically. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.